Look forward sa bagong season ng ng iHeartPH.
Siyempre, dahil season 10 namin, talagang leveled up. So the first 3 episodes namin is a partnership with the Hong Kong Tourism Board. So I went to Hong Kong, rediscovered and discovered Hong Kong, the usual places like yung mga tourist spots like Disneyland, Hongping, night market, street market, but also places na hindi pa natin usually nakikita ang mga Pinoy. So went to a Thai fishing village. I participated in the Bond Festival. So marami po tayo mapapanood dito. At saka food trip, syempre, paborito yun ng mga Pinoy mga pagkain. So mga from street food up to mga Michelin star restaurants na kayo.
Are there also tie-ups with other countries like just for example Thailand? Kasi may mga Filipino communities din doon o ano.
Sa ngayon po, Hong Kong Tourism Board, basta nyo, it's in the pipeline.
Pero yung mga ipini-feature nyo, mga local destinations?
Yes. Before we featured all iba-ibang lugar. Pero ngayon, season na to, abangan nyo po muna, hindi po muna namin.
But this is only a thin line between hosting at saka acting. Siyempre, may tsura ka naman. Saka alam mo, wala bang na ingking sa'yo na pumasok din, sumabak sa showbiz o umarte?
Sa ngayon, wala pa naman. Pero who knows, pwede naman may role na as a host, diba?
Oo. Open ka naman doon.
Pero syempre, hosting is my first love. But of course, I'm open.
Open ka.
Valerie, picture na.
Kung sakaling may mag-offer sa'yo, saan mo gustong mag-act o ano?
Actually, never ko naiisip eh. Pero I used to do theater kasi sa Kantipala Theater Foundation before. So, kaya siguro drama.
Wow. GMA.
I don't know. I really don't know. Kasi ako naman, I'm very open naman to experiences and opportunities. I don't say no unless talaga something na hindi ko talaga gustong gawin.
So, sa Philippine Showbiz ba may mga idols ka?
Actually, ang idol ko sa host is si Chris Aquino.
Wow.
Of course, the Queen of Rock. Very smart at napaka-versatile na sa host. Pwedeng mag-game show, pwedeng mag-showbiz talk show. Lahat kaya niyang gawin. So, she's an idol when it comes to
About acting?
Acting? Ang daming magagaling. Actually, gusto ko si Maris Racal.
Maris
Hindi ko siya
Racal.
idol kasi mas bata siya sa akin, Parang pangit yata na mas bata idol ko. Pero galing na galing actually when it comes to her talent and her acting. She's so versatile. Ang galing niya.
Open ka bang makakollab si Tony Gonzaga? Kasi may striking resemblance daw kayo.
Actually, 999 ka na tao na nagsabi na may awig kami. Pwede naman, mag-interviewhan kami pero para kami nakatingin sa salamin.
Pero you haven't met her?
I haven't met her but I would love to meet her kasi she's also someone I look up to when it comes to hosting. Napakagaling din.
Okay. Thank you ba?